The Shardor can brew 24 hours in advance and brew up to 12 cups at a time. The product will automatically keep warm for 2 hours. After that, it will automatically enter the safe and energy-saving standby mode. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Convenient cleanup. The coffee maker comes with an easy-to-remove filter basket and a reusable filter. No need to spend money on disposable paper filters. Number 2. Easy view water window. The front-facing window shows you the exact amount of water that will turn into coffee. Number 3. Duralife Glass Coffee Pot. The sturdy 15-cup carafe has measurement markings for accurate filling and an easy grip handle for comfortable pouring. Number 4. Programmable Function. The LCD Prog button can set the time for brewing coffee in advance. And the coffee machine has a heat preservation function so that you can enjoy a good time of coffee. Number 5. Special spouting design. With the special spouting design, it stops brewing to prevent cold water from mixing in at once when filling water. Number 6. Power saving and safe. The coffee maker defaults to standby mode when it is plugged, which saves power and is safe. Number 7. 24 hours programmable. Program your coffee up to 24 hours in advance, ensuring that a fresh, hot cup of coffee is available as soon as you wake up in the morning. Number 8. Keep warm. The carafe plate keeps coffee warm for 2 hours after brewing is complete. You can drink a follow-up cup without having to brew it again. Number 9. Adjustability brew strength. Brew strength selector pumps up a stronger flavor if you like a bolder taste. Number 10. Anti-drip function. The anti-drip system enables you to pause and pour mid-brew with mess-free. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.